Yep, we're back in the same normal car again. Anyway, yeah. It's surprising, it's pretty hot in here, but cold out there. Whatever. It's probably just hotter in here because, like, you know, like, the glass is making, like, the radiation come in. Yeah. Anyway, when are we gonna go to the random places in the neighborhood? Oh, I kinda lied about that, because, one, it's always windy. Not, like, very, very windy, but, like, paper cannot handle, like, most, like, 99% of wind, so, yeah, I don't think we'll be able, like, to really, you know. But anyway, now it's time for elimination. We'll go to elimination place. This is all you could do. Ice cream sandwich. That is so rude of you to say. I literally spent 4 minutes just thinking, should we do this elimination place somewhere else in the neighborhood? Yeah, I literally spent 4 minutes thinking about it, and you're just gonna, like, just be rude. It's only 4 minutes. That is longer than how long it takes to listen to Call Me Rhyme Rock Me Mix. Okay, just kidding, I'm not cruel, so I'm not gonna hurt you. Also, you're safe with 0 votes, unfortunately. Unfortunately, what the? Backpack got 0 votes, too. Now it's down to Yoigrish, Bottle, and Blanket. Oh, well, I'm in the bottom 2. Oh, no. This is weird. An ENMT, I'm like a fan favorite. How am I in the bottom 2? Shh. Look, Yoigrish, Bottle. This is the time in the show where, like, the fan favorites get voted out way, way faster. And speaking of voted out faster as fan favorites, Blanket safe with 0 votes. UI Gersh Bottle, you got 1 vote, so goodbye. Wait, I have to say something. What? Why do people say 0 votes? Because you add an S when it's plural, but like, yeah. Sorry guys, like my sister like kind of like just interrupted me, so. But anyway. I completely forgot what we were talking about. But, oh yeah. So, like the S in votes is plural. And 0 is none. It's not 2 or more. So, 4, it's not plural. Because there's not, duplicates or more of it. So, it can't be, like, there we go. Back to ENMT you go. There's not really many good challenges we could do here, considering this is just a car. Wow, thanks so much, light bulb. I used to think you were funny. Anyway, so, yeah, I have a great idea. No, it won't work, because there's only, ooh, I know. So, I'll split you guys up into groups of 3. Yeah, each of you will be on one side of this car, and you have to buckle the seatbelt. The team that fails to do it will lose and be put up for elimination. Also, the teams are only for this contest. Go! Are we gonna have the teams or what? Oh yeah. I put it by ABC order. And then, it's so hot in here. Okay, now go. I'll try to do this. Ow, it burns. Okay, I can't do it. Eraser, it's up to you. What? Why me? Just do it, wimp. You will use the wimp soon. Guys, how are we gonna... Honestly, I don't really know. Yeah. I really just cannot decide how we're wait, what is... This metal is not that hot. Wow, the others are weaklings. I wouldn't agree. Come on, guys, we have no time to waste. We should all help together. Wait, me too? Yep, you too. Oh, man. Let's go. Dude, are you dumb? That's literally the wrong one. It's right here. Alright, you guys are so rude. Oh, this will be so easy. And then Setsu, this thing isn't that hot. Whatever, I don't feel like trying. You know what? Yeah, it's not hot. I'll just try now. How are we gonna do this? I think that's the wrong seatbelt. Oh, man. Oh, that was the right seatbelt. Yeah, we win. Yep, you guys win. Look what you did. And you guys lost. You failed miserably. And sister, this is all your fault. Yeah, I agree. Well, for a friend, I guess. I don't really care. Brayden, yes, Sensu? I want to quit the show. But you guys lost. Okay, well, I don't feel like I'm gonna poll, so I'm just gonna eliminate someone now. Just like one sometime, or no, one time did. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna miss you guys at all. Also, come on, I like the buckled, quiet backpack, you complainer. And yeah, I have more ammunition than all of you. Cuppy literally left me. And I'm so mad about that. You guys really need to keep... Did she just say we need to care? That's kind of hypocritical. She never cared about anything. Well, what I care about, we're our final 5. So, yeah. You guys have no control over the votes. It was predictable that was going to happen, so, yeah. Tomorrow morning, we're just going to do the next contest, so, yeah. Teams are disbanded again. Bye. Wait, but can we do at least another challenge? No, it's getting way too hot in here. Fine. Bye, guys.